In the last episode, I made a dolly for the table saw, and it's been really helpful. The worry of being able to wheel the machine in and out of the workshop has gone, and the only thing that stops me from working outside now is bad weather. So the next machine for me to make mobile is my bandsaw. This is quite a tall machine, and it's unstable trying to wheel the whole thing outside on a dolly, so I'll be removing the legs and placing it on a fairly wide and heavy dolly if possible to give the bandsaw some stability. I'll be building it out of scrap pieces that I have lying around, and I'll not be making any effort to create the dolly as a fine woodworking project. It just needs to work and be safe, that's it. The bandsaw did originally come with a set of wheels, but they aren't really suitable for this floor, and they definitely won't survive being wheeled down the ramps and onto the concrete drive. So, as on the previous dolly I built, I'll build the base for the wheels first out of some 4x2 that I had left over from another project. I'll also build an identical frame which will help form the top of the box later on. For added strength, I also added a middle support for the top. For the bottom of the box, I used some scrap MDF, which wasn't in the best condition, but it would be perfect for this project. Before fitting the legs, I marked out the MDF and cut away the corners. The top frame was then screwed in place. For the sides, I used up the last of the scrap MDF I had lying around, which meant for the back I had to find something else, and the only piece that would fit was some old backing board, which was a bit on the thin side. So I added some glue and used panel pins to fix this on. The only scrap pieces I could find for the top was some old laminated pro board. Ideally, this would be better in one piece, but this is all I had left. I had originally planned just to fix a solid panel to every side, because all I needed was to have a bandsaw I could wheel around, but I decided to cut an opening in this front piece so I could store the spare bandsaw blades and any ancillaries that came with the bandsaw. Before the wheels are fitted, I stapled a piece of polythene sheeting on the base to help prevent insects and spiders from making a new home. Then it was just a case of removing the bandsaw from its original base, sliding it onto the new base and fixing in place. Adding this wheeled base to the bandsaw makes everything so much more accessible now. There's a lot of weight to these machines, so it's not exactly a piece of cake to move them, but it works. And to make things a little easier, I took the handle from the original frame and screwed it onto the new base. I can now finally start using my machines again, and I'm looking forward to getting back into making, because it's been far too long since my last proper project.